Manila, please welcome on stage, Raynil. We are very, very sorry. Raynil?
Yun. Raynil.
Yes, we are very, very sorry. But don't worry, siguro naman.
Handheld. Pwede handheld na mic kasi hindi natin marinig sayang.
Yes, hindi ka na-buzz because of your performance.
Alisin mo na lang
Nangyari
yung...
lang because of a technical problem.
Alisin mo na
Kaya
lang
mo
yung
ba
ano mo.
sumayaw na may handheld na microphone na hawak?
Kaya? Yung wireless lang?
Improve na lang.
Sure, bro?
Kaya mo yan.
May
Go.
we have one handheld mic, please?
Kasi,
Kaya mo
kasi mahirap talaga mag-perform na may ganyan eh.
Ha?
Here you go, bro. Okay?
Oo,
Ready ka na?
improve the sound.
Hindi natin
Kaya mo ba
marinig
na wireless or gusto mo i-try natin ulit with yung head mic?
Itutok
Ha?
lang natin.
Ito na lang.
Gusto daw niya yun eh.
Raynil, okay na lang daw.
Ito na lang.
Kayang-kaya mo yan. The show must go on. This
The
is
show
live,
goes on.
di ba?
Yes, it is
Ito ang
live.
sinatawag nating live.
Kaya
Just
mo
happen.
yan.
Yes.
Go!
Go step aside.
Once again,
Let's
Good luck,
go,
bro.
baby boy.
Raynil.
Nasaan na yung hat? Yung hat! Kinuha niya yung hat. Yes!
Hold on.
time.
1 second.
It is a live show.
Ito.
It is a live show. Okay.
Sayang lang, pag performance,
Okay, lahat,
kailangan ito natin, ibibigay natin ang
Yes.
lahat. So, kailangan may shades pa, di ba?
Bro, are you ready? Final question, are you ready?
Ready po.
Judges, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, we are all ready. Ladies and gentlemen, Raynil!
Galing.
Hey pretty baby with a high give me fever like a temperate noon. Yes, a prodigal loveliness. I like the groove of a walk your talk your yes. I feel your fever from miles around. I pick you up in my car, I'll make a time. Kiss me baby and tell me twice. You're the one for me, the way you make me feel. Feel turn me on. Knock me off of my feet. My lonely days are gone. Ooh, I like this feeling you're giving me. Show me, baby, I'm in ecstasy. Oh, I've been working from 9 to 5 to buy you things to keep you by my side. I never been so in love before. Promise, baby, you'll love me forevermore. Swear me, keeping you satisfied. That you're the one for me, the way you make me feel. Really turn me on. Knock me off of my feet. Only days are gone. Ooh.
Yun
Raynil!
Yun lang pala
Good
ang
job.
kailangan. Yun lang.
Good job, bro.
Alam mo ba kung gaano kahirap i-impersonate
Yes.
Michael Jackson, especially singing and dancing pa, ibang klase yun. Ang linis niyang
Hindi,
kumanta.
plus mas mahirap na syempre, ready na siya, nagkaroon ng technical problem,
Pero wala-
twice, medyo nahinto ang performance na, yet nabigay mo ang isang napakagaling na performance.
Give it up for Rainiel.
Po.
Rainiel, ano ang pinaka-importanting lesson ng natutunan mo dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent?
Wala po pala to sa laki o sa liit po. It's about talent po pala.
Yes.
Wow.
Perfect.
How old are you now?
11 po.
11. Friendship, ikaw muna. Sige na, kasi
Friendship,
nakukitan tayo.
ang
Ano?
cute-cute mo. Ay, friendship.
Cute nga ako, thank you. Ano?
Friendship na rin kita. Ang cute-cute mo, tsaka alam mo, ang galing mo kumanta.
Salamat
Linis.
po.
Linis.
Ang linis.
Malinis.
Salamat po.
And with matching choreography pa. And, you know, singing dating sa American Idol, Sanjaya ba yun? Tama
Yes,
ba ako?
afro.
With the hair?
With the hair and everything.
Oo, yun. Kasi malaking factor kung bakit cute na cute ka talaga yung buhok mo. So, dapat i-maintain mo yan at pahabain mo pa sa more.
All natural.
And, really?
Natural.
Wala extensions?
Wala.
Cute na cute ka talaga at pati yung boses mo bagay na bagay sa itsura mong mukha kang anghel.
Salamat po. Salamat po.
Sir FMG?
Well, in spite of the technical problem, you have saved yourself. You're really very good.
Salamat
Galing-galing
po.
mo.
Thank you, judges. Now, if you want Rainiel to be part of our
Wait,
grand
look at the whole family pala. Lahat sila ganyan ng hair. Ayun o.
Kulot sila lahat.
Sino po may pakanan yan? Hindi.
Bagong style daw.
If you want him to be part of our grand finals, all you have to do is text PGT space Rainiel. It's REINIEL.
Yes, it's PJT space Rainiel. Rainiel, again, good job. Thank you very much.